Hello, welcome to my studio. Today I'm painting a seascape, a soothing sight after a quiet sunset. It is a simple painting, easy to follow and learn. A quick one, so watch it till the end. Here's my basic sketch, and before I start applying paint, I'm going to wet the paper with clean water until the horizon, leaving the moon and the lighthouse areas untouched. There are several shades of color for this evening sky. Wet paper will help loosely blend in the various shades. So wet on wet is the technique I'm using here. Wet paint on wet surface. The shades that I'm using for the sky are ultramarine blue, alizarin crimson, cadmium yellow, and lemon yellow. And I'm adding a mixture of cadmium yellow and a little bit of crimson, just for the natural feel. So once the sky has dried, I move to the sea, where I wet the paper, leaving some patches where I do not want the paint to loosely flow. The base color that I'm using for the sea is a loose and dilute mixture of alizarin crimson and cadmium red. And now I'm using a mixture of Winsor blue and ultramarine. I'm applying these strokes to suggest a slight motion of the water. Since I feel the moon is lost in the sky, I'm going to highlight it by painting a little bit around it using cadmium yellow and lemon yellow mixture, and then give a few highlights to the sky and then the water. I'm giving the highlights again to suggest motion, and for the highlights I'm using a mixture of ultramarine and a little bit ivory black. I'm using a mixture of burnt umber and cadmium red for the rocks base color, and then I'll highlight the rocks with ultramarine and black. I've shifted to my liner brush to do the lighthouse and its minor details like roof, walls, windows, and railings. And the soothing sight following the quiet sunset is ready. Hope you liked the video, and I hope it was easy to follow and learn. Do let me know your thoughts, would love to hear. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Thank you for watching and see you soon.